Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online, and unlike many other online business models, freelancing is sustainable. You can build a career as a freelancer that is going to last for as long as you like. And how much money you can make in freelancing? It is going to be very hard to find one single job that can pay you as much as freelancing can pay you if you become a successful freelancer. But on the flip side, freelancing is not the easiest thing to start. If you want to become a successful freelancer, you have to learn many things, which include the actual skills that you are going to offer as a freelancer. You also have to learn how to write a winning proposal, how to create a portfolio, and the big part, how to find clients. For you as a complete beginner, this may sound like a lot, and the truth is, it is a lot, which is why I'm going to share with you this one tip that is going to help you stay motivated and committed to doing whatever it takes to become a successful freelancer. If you intend to start freelancing and become a successful freelancer, the very first thing that you should do is create a vision of your life as a successful freelancer. Create a vision of how your life will look like if you become a successful freelancer. Let me give you an example. When I started freelancing, I had a full-time job that paid me around 45,000 naira per month. And I had family responsibility, I had my own personal responsibilities, so 45,000 naira barely get me through the month. So the vision for my life at that time is to be able to take care of all the basic necessities of life for myself and my family without struggling, without thinking of where the money is going to come. If something came up that is going to cost a little bit of money, I want to have that extra money that I can take care of those issues without struggling, without thinking of where the money is going to come. That is the main vision of my life when I started freelancing. And I can close my eyes and envision how my life will look like, how I'm going to feel if I have enough money to take care of all of these basic necessities for my family. And when I created that vision and how I will feel like when I become a successful freelancer, nothing's going to stop me. I was willing to do whatever it takes to get to that point. And that is what helped me learn whatever I need to learn, implement what I needed to implement, do whatever it takes, take any action necessary to start, persist, and become a successful freelancer. So you need to think of this. What is the vision of your life as a successful freelancer? What do you want to achieve? How it is going to feel if you become a successful freelancer? When you created that vision, when you can close your eyes and imagine how it will feel like when you become a successful freelancer, nothing's going to stop you. There is a saying that goes, if you have a strong enough why, the how will come. So if you don't know how, then maybe your why is not strong enough. If your reason to do this is strong enough, you are going to find a way to do whatever it is that is needed in order to succeed. And lucky for you, whatever you want to learn, whatever you need to learn in order to succeed as a freelancer, you can find tutorials, guides, and tips on YouTube for free that are going to help you, that are going to guide you and show you whatever you need to learn to become a successful freelancer. So my one important tip for you as a new freelancer is create a vision of your life as a successful freelancer. If you can close your eyes and imagine how life will look like, how you are going to feel when you succeed, then you are not going to let anything stop you. You are not going to let anything get in your way of becoming a successful freelancer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.